Hello dear student, again this tutorial is in the continuation of last tutorial, and here we will see how we can join two NumPy arrays. Okay, so for joining two NumPy array we don't need lot of coding. For that NumPy is already providing predefined function. Got it? That is the specialty of NumPy. So NumPy joining concept means, so the here joining means putting content of two or more array in a single array, means two array we are joining and combining. That is what the joining. So how to do that practically, that we will see now. So here first upon we will import NumPy. So after importing NumPy you can create the array. So I am giving two name A and B. So A equal to n dot array, and here we will specify one dimensional array. So I tell you one more thing here, if you are concatenating two array, both must be of same dimensional. Got it? So this is our first array, this will be second. So just changing the array name B and changing the values also, so that you can easily differentiate after joining. Then finally we have to concatenate. For that we are taking array name C and n dot concatenate, because this concatenate function is provided by NumPy. So you have to write n dot concatenate. So inside the concatenate function you have to specify the array, that is A comma B, and finally it is concatenated. We have joined that, and then you have to print that array, means you have to print C, because we have added in the C because of concatenate function. So we will check the output. So you see we have concatenate the array like 1 2 3, then after that we have added 4 5 6. So it is what one dimensional array, and along with that we can specify the next parameter axis. So if suppose I write axis 0, then we will see the output. So output is same, no change is there. You can have two values here, axis 1 also, and it will show the error message because we have one dimensional array. So for that one dimensional array we don't use the axis and we don't use the value 1. It is applicable for two dimensional array. So suppose if I convert into the two dimensional array, so now here we have two dimensional array, so this axis equal to 1 will definitely work. It work with the two dimensional array, you see. So 1 2 3, and then here again 1 2 3, then after that it is placed in the next array. And suppose if you use axis equal to 0, that axis is interesting, then what will happen here, you check. You see it will show like that 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then 4 5 6 4 5 6. And if you use axis equal to 2, then it will show the error message. You see, because axis 2 is out of bound for the array dimensional 2. So for that we will try with the other dimensional array here, comma, and now I will check it out. So now you see the dimensional 2, it is working. So it is showing 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then it is showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this way the axis value you can specify. And suppose if I give here axis 1, then you see the change. See 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then like that it is coming in. So axis value you can give but you have to remember one thing. If you are giving the axis value, without axis also you can concatenate. Like here I am not giving any axis, then also it will working. It is working without that, and it is joining also. So if you are using one dimensional array, you have to use axis value up to 0, two dimensional axis value up to 1, and three dimensional you have to use axis value up to 2. So in this way you can concatenate. And now here we will do the change. In place of concatenate, you can use the other function also. First I will convert this array into the simple one dimensional array for your understanding. So this is my again one dimensional array, and again here I am going to use stack function. So finally we will check the output. So it will also do the joining like this, and you can also use horizontal and vertical stack. So if it is vertical, it will show the value in vertically wise, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can also use edge stack. So in the edge stack it will show the values in straight away, like horizontal wise. And we have one more function like d stack. There also you will check the output. So that is what the 1 2 3 4 5 6 means. First it is printing complete array vertical wise, and then it is, so it depend on your compactness, whichever you want to use you can use with that. But you observe one thing, both the arrays must be of same dimensional, that is the criteria for that. And for concatenation, either you use concatenate or stack function, both are available in the NumPy array. So I hope you understood the concatenation tutorial. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.